All right, back we go. It is February 9th, Tuesday. Market's still rolling on today. Let's look at LKCO. All right, this had a big move. You can see from 6 all the way down, January 2020, it really faded. Sort of stabilized, and it went down again. Yeah, this thing went down to 40 cents. Really bottomed here. Then it had a big spike in July. Look at the volume. Try to get past this one level. Remember, one very significant area. Then look at 40. 1, 2, 3 times it touched this 40 level. So, yeah, that's like a triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3. Look at the volume here compared to any other, except this spike here a little bit here. Big volume. This is trying to test one. I like this too. Yeah, this is coming up. Going back, you have the 2 line. It's hard to see here. Let me see the weekly. Yeah, you can't really see much on that either. Because when you bring this over, see this drop? You see the 1 line right here, 120. Here's the 2 line, and going up to 6. So, yeah, if we can break 1 here, watch this 150 to 2 area first move. The lows keep getting higher. See this, this. 130 million float, higher float, 164 million market cap. They did a direct registered placement, 5 million. That was the 5th. They do mobile application products for long distance travelers, People's Republic of China. So you can see the back and forth here, back and forth. Big volume coming in. Are we going to break 1? Yeah, it sure looks like it. And we're probably going to get a 150 to 2 on this. Yeah, if your support, this comes down again. See this? So watch this like 70 level because it did 40, did 55, did 65. So watch that. So this is another good runner today. And a nice little move here. Not great, but continually going up. And a big test of that 1 level. EFOI, 2.96 million float on Finviz, 17 million market cap. No news. Designs, develops, manufactures, sells energy efficient lighting systems, United States, internationally, LED lighting, military, all kinds of stuff. All right, this one you can see here, this 4 line. 4 line's holding pretty good. And then you have up here, I would say this 950 line. So 4 line, 950 line. Yeah, you see this come back to, you can probably draw a line, right here. Something like this. See that? The highs were getting lower. The lows are holding. See this back and forth to a squeeze, a falling wedge. And did come out of that wedge in April, May. Look at this. First split. Came up 1, back down to 5, then tested the 950 line. And then this one up right here. See the move up here, but it came back to this 5 line, then tested 950 again. Tried here, big red candle, fell back. So you have the 4 to 950 line. And today this explodes with 10.6 million. They're trying to test it now. I might not get over today. 550. You see this, like 625. By the end of the day, this could run over that. What you have here, if we can get over 950, test this 1150. I think we eventually get there, but I'm not sure how they'll play this tomorrow. They might run it up again, like a 2-day move. They could fall it back. Just be careful. Let it see what it does in the morning. I wouldn't swing this and like, oh, we're gonna keep going. I mean, if you can do what you want, but that'd be a dangerous move. But this has a lot of potential here. Finviz has a line like this, so we're probably gonna test that high. I don't know if there's news. It didn't say news. It possibly could be. So, check that out. See if there's news on that. Write it in my comments below on my YouTube. Here's PTE. 28 million float. Market cap 90 million. Biotechnology, regenerative biomaterials, develops, commercializes a range of regenerative tissue products for medicine, engineering, United States. So here's a move from 450 all the way down. Big gap, fell to 75 cents. Worked its way back up to 2. Then formed, this line here to 75 didn't hold. Went to 60 cents. It gapped. Came back up all the way to 160 plus, then came back down again. Little dip, and that's where we are now. But again, what do you see here? Look at this volume ever since there compared to here. Little dip here, but this volume is much bigger, much, much bigger. So we're going up. We're pulling back to 150. You have the big gap. I think we'll get to that gap. I'm not sure how far. We're probably going to challenge this 2 line pretty soon. Keep your stops tight. See, move up here, move up here. So you get 60 cents and 90 cents. You want to look for that $1 to 110 to hold on a pullback on this. Pulling back a little bit now. And then you have that big gap above. I think we get that eventually. You have to move down, bounce, move down, and this thing does this and then comes up. So this is looking really strong too. PTE. So we might see this tested here twice. We didn't hear this could test here, blow through it. You're not sure how it will react. It's hard to say, but it's looking strong with the volume now. All right, please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade. Smash the like button. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. And Twitter, Mike J Trades. All right, that's it. Set this up. Peace.